There is a particular kind of joy that comes with traveling after 50. You are not packing for anyone else's approval. You are not trying to impress a stranger on a plane. You are packing for the woman who has finally earned the time, the means, and the freedom to see the world on her own terms. And yet so many of us still overpack, underpack, or pack the wrong things entirely. We arrive at our destination with a suitcase full of clothes and somehow still feel like we have nothing to wear. Today, that changes completely. Welcome back to Prime Melanin. Today we are talking about the 10 travel wardrobe essentials every Black woman over 50 needs in her suitcase. The pieces that mix, match, layer, and travel beautifully, so you walk off that plane looking like you planned every single outfit with intention, because you did. These are not just clothes. They are the foundation of a travel wardrobe that works as hard as you do and looks twice as good doing it. Subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. And drop a comment telling me where your next trip is taking you, because I want to know where this community is headed. Let us get into all 10. Essential number 1, the wrinkle-resistant maxi dress. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. A high-quality wrinkle-resistant maxi dress is the single most versatile item you can pack. It works as a daytime look with sandals and a sun hat. It works as an evening look with the right jewelry and a heel. It rolls into your suitcase and emerges looking like it was just pressed. Choose a fabric like jersey, a quality viscose blend, or matte jersey crepe. These fabrics resist creasing, breathe well in warm climates, and drape beautifully over every body shape. For color, think rich solids, a deep terracotta, a warm chocolate brown, a jewel-toned emerald. These colors photograph beautifully against our melanin, and they hide the inevitable wrinkles of travel far better than pale pastels ever could. 1 maxi dress, 3 accessory changes, 3 completely different looks. That is the kind of math that makes packing light feel like a luxury rather than a sacrifice. Essential number 2, the structured, lightweight blazer. This is the piece that turns any travel outfit from thrown together to intentional. A structured, lightweight blazer in a breathable fabric like linen or a linen blend does double duty. It elevates a simple tee and trouser combination at the airport. It becomes your evening layer over a sundress when the temperature drops after sunset. The key word here is lightweight. You do not want a heavy wool blazer taking up suitcase space and making you sweat through security. Look for unstructured linen or a soft cotton blend that you can roll without it looking it. Stick to a neutral that works with everything you packed: camel, white, or a soft stone color. This blazer is your travel uniform piece. The one item that makes every single other piece in your suitcase look more expensive than it is. Drop a comment and tell me if you already travel with a blazer, because I have a feeling some of you have known this secret for years. Essential number 3, the convertible scarf or wrap. This single piece of fabric might be the hardest working item in your entire suitcase. A large square or rectangular silk or silk blend scarf can become a head wrap for a bad hair travel day, a beach cover-up over a swimsuit, a shawl over your shoulders on a chilly evening flight, or a belt cinched around the waist of that maxi dress we just talked about. Choose a scarf in a rich jewel tone or a beautiful printed pattern that ties together the color palette of your entire trip. This is the piece that photographs as effortlessly elegant in every single setting, because it is doing genuine, practical work in every single setting. Pack 1 large scarf, and you have packed 5 different accessories without adding a single extra item to your suitcase. Essential number 4, the breathable wide-leg trouser. For travel days specifically, this is your best friend. A wide-leg trouser in a breathable fabric like linen, cotton, or a soft viscose gives you the comfort of loungewear with the polish of real clothing. You can sit through a long flight without feeling restricted, and you can walk straight from the airport to dinner without changing. Choose a high or mid-rise that smooths your waistline and a length that grazes the top of your shoe rather than dragging. This single styling detail is the difference between looking like you are still in your pajamas and looking like you intentionally chose comfort with elegance in mind. Neutral tones work hardest here: black, navy, stone, or a warm taupe. These trousers will pair with every top you pack and every shoe you bring, which is exactly what you want on a trip where suitcase space is precious. If this video is already changing how you think about your next trip, go ahead and give it a like right now. It genuinely helps more Black women in our Prime Melanin community find content like this. Essential number 5, the statement swimsuit. Even if your trip is not a beach vacation, pack one beautiful swimsuit. Hotel pools, spa days, and unexpected beach detours happen more often than you plan for. But here is the real point of this essential. Stop packing swimsuits that apologize. After 50, the swimsuit conversation should not be about hiding. It should be about choosing a cut that genuinely flatters and a color that genuinely celebrates your skin. A high-waisted bottom paired with a structured one-piece or a tankini top gives you support and coverage exactly where you want it, without sacrificing 1 ounce of style. And color matters enormously here. Deep jewel tones, rich reds, and warm earth tones photograph stunningly against deep brown skin in natural sunlight, far more than pale pastels or washed-out prints ever will. This is not the swimsuit you settle for. This is the swimsuit you actually want to be photographed in. Essential number 6, the versatile denim piece. One quality pair of dark wash jeans or a denim jacket earns its place in every single suitcase, regardless of destination or climate. Dark wash denim looks polished in a way that lighter washes simply do not, and it hides the inevitable travel day wrinkles and stains far more forgivingly. A well-fitted pair of dark jeans works for a casual sightseeing day, a dinner out with the right top and jewelry, or a chilly evening when you need something a little more substantial than linen. If you are traveling somewhere warm, swap the jeans for a quality denim jacket instead. It layers over everything, it photographs beautifully, and it is the one piece that makes your entire vacation wardrobe look curated rather than randomly assembled. Essential number 7, the lightweight cardigan or wrap sweater. Air travel is cold. Evening breezes are unpredictable. Air conditioning in foreign restaurants is somehow always set to Arctic. A lightweight cardigan or wrap sweater in a soft natural fiber like cotton, merino wool blend, or a fine knit solves all of this without weighing down your suitcase or your outfit. Choose a piece that is long enough to wrap and tie at the waist for definition, or one that drapes open over a dress for effortless layering. Earth tones and rich neutrals work hardest here, since they pair with virtually every color combination you have already packed. This is the piece you will reach for on every single flight, every cool evening, and every air-conditioned restaurant for the rest of your travels. Pack it within arm's reach in your carry-on, not buried in your checked suitcase. Essential number 8, the comfortable but elevated shoe rotation. This is where most overpacking happens, and it is also where the biggest opportunity for elevated travel style lives. Limit yourself to 3 shoe categories: a comfortable walking sandal or flat for daytime exploring, a slightly elevated sandal or block heel for evening, and 1 pair of sneakers if your trip involves significant walking or hiking. Choose colors that work across multiple outfits. A warm tan or cognac sandal pairs with nearly everything you have packed. A simple black or metallic evening sandal elevates any dress or trouser combination instantly. The goal is never more shoes. The goal is the right 3 pairs that work overtime, so your feet stay comfortable and your suitcase stays light. Essential number 9, the statement jewelry that travels light. You do not need to pack your entire jewelry box. You need 3 or 4 pieces that transform every single outfit you brought. A pair of bold gold hoop earrings, a substantial cuff bracelet, 1 statement necklace in a rich color that pulls together your entire travel palette, and a pair of simple studs for the days you want something quieter. Gold against deep brown skin photographs like sunlight against water, especially in vacation lighting. These pieces weigh almost nothing in your suitcase, but they do the heaviest lifting of your entire trip, transforming a simple white tee and trouser combination into something that looks deliberately, beautifully styled. Pack them in a small jewelry roll or pouch so nothing gets tangled, and you will reach for them every single day of your trip. Essential number 10, the crossbody or structured travel bag. And finally, the piece that holds everything else together, literally and stylistically. A structured crossbody bag in a quality leather or vegan leather keeps your hands free while you explore, keeps your essentials secure, and elevates every single outfit you wear it with. Choose a rich neutral like cognac, black, or warm camel that coordinates with everything else you packed. This is not the moment to bring your slouchy everyday tote. Travel is exactly when a structured bag earns its keep, because it photographs beautifully in every single vacation picture, and it keeps your passport, your phone, and your peace of mind exactly where they belong. Here is what I want you to walk away with today. 10 essentials. A wrinkle-resistant maxi dress, a lightweight blazer, a convertible scarf, breathable wide-leg trousers, a statement swimsuit, a versatile denim piece, a lightweight cardigan, a smart shoe rotation, travel light statement jewelry, and a structured crossbody bag. That is not a complicated wardrobe. That is a strategic one. Every single piece works with at least 3 others. Every piece earns its space in your suitcase, and every piece makes you look like a woman who travels with intention, not a woman who threw things into a bag at midnight before her flight. Because here is the truth about travel after 50. You are not packing to survive the trip. You are packing to be magnificent in every single photograph, every dinner, every spontaneous moment that becomes a memory you will tell for years. Pack with intention, travel with style, and come back with photographs that look like they belong in a magazine, not because you spent a fortune, but because you packed smart. If this video gave you something today, like it, share it with a woman who is planning her next trip, and subscribe to Prime Melanin if you are not already part of our community. Drop a comment telling me which of these 10 essentials is already in your suitcase and which one you are adding before your next trip. I read every single one. Your next video is already on the screen. Click it, because we are just getting started.